Hi, in this video session, I am going to explain 8.4 exercise of class 10 CBSE mathematics. In first question, express the trigonometric ratios sin A, secant A, tan A in terms of cot A. So we are going to take the relation between sin and cot, sin to cot, and secant to cot, and tan to cot, like this. It is very simple. Tan and cot are reciprocals. We can write in the form of reciprocal. Tan A equal to 1 by cot A. But secant A converts into cot and sin converts into cot. This is the most important. Now, you see, sin A equal to 1 by cosecant A. 1 by cosecant A, already we know that trigonometric identities. So cosecant A form is in the form of terms of cot, it is 1 plus root of 1 plus cot square A. So sin converts into cot in terms of, so sin A equal to 1 by root of 1 plus cot square A. Same here, secant is there. Secant A, so we are going to travel like this: secant to tan, tan to cot, like that. Secant A equal to formula is root of 1 plus tan square A. So root of 1, tan A means 1 by cot square A. That is, tan square A means 1 by cot square. So root of cot square A plus 1 by cot square A. Root of 1 cot square plus 1 by cot square. So secant to cot, sin to cot. How we are going to travel? Sin to cosecant, cosecant to cot. Secant to tan, tan to cot. So what is tan A? Equal to 1 by cot A. So they are asking, the question is sin, secant and tan in the terms of cot A. So sin converts into cot, secant into cot, tan converts into cot. This is the first question. In second question, write all trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of secant. That means sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot. Already secant is there, no problem. Secant A equals secant A. So how we are going to travel? Sin to cos, cos to secant, sin A to cos A to secant A. Cos A directly we can write in secant A's form because reciprocal. Tan A direct in the identity is there, so we can write it directly. And cot first you write in the form of tan, after that secant. Cosecant, sin, you can write sin form, after sin form cos or secant. So that is our wish to travel. How to travel? That is the most important. So cosecant to cot, cot to secant, cot to tan, tan to secant. That is depend upon our method procedure. And secant is always secant. So already it is given secant equal to secant. Now we are going to perform this procedures. How we are going to do? Here in solution, sin A equal to, so we are going to convert into secant here. So what is sin A identity? 1 minus cos square A under root of 1 minus cos square A. So root of 1 minus cos square A, 1 minus 1 by secant A or secant square A, because cos reciprocal is 1 by secant. So we are going to take the cos is reciprocal is secant. Next one is root of secant square A minus 1 by secant square A. So sin A converts into secants. Next, cos A. So directly we can write secant A, 1 by secant A. Tan A. So root of direct formula is there. Secant square A minus 1. This is identity. So trigonometric identities. Next one is cot A. So 1 by tan A. 1 by tan A means 1 by tan A means here this one is secant square A minus 1. Next one is secant A. If you are going to write secant A, so secant A only, because secant A equals secant. Now cosecant A. Cosecant A, you can write 1 by sin A. What is sin A? This one, root of secant square A minus 1 by secant square A. So directly I am writing here secant sin A value here. So reciprocal, root of secant square A by secant square A minus 1. Secant square A. So cosecant A converts into secant. So that this algorithm you should understand. First of all, sine to secant traveling. That means sine to cos, cos to sec. Directly there is no relation. Direct relation here. So that sine to cos, cos to secant. Cos secant reciprocals. Tan secant. So direct identity is there. Cot, tan and secant. Cot to tan, tan to secant. Cosecant, cosecant to sine, sine to secant. You can travel sine to cos, cos to secant. Otherwise, cot to tan, tan to secant. That is also one method. So best method is this one. 1 by sin A ka result, and you write it. That's all. Very simple. So this is the procedure what we are going to follow. Thank you. Here in third question, evaluate sin square 63 plus sin square 27 by cos square 17 plus cos square 73. And this one also sin 25 into cos 65 plus cos 25 into sin 65. Here in 8.3 what we are going to angle changing and complementary angles along with the trigonometric ratios and everything. We are using these two methods along with identities. Please see, any one only we are going to choose, either these two or these two or these two, anything, but only in numerator only one person will be changed. Here denominator one person will be changed. Suppose if I am going to change sin 27, so sin 27 is, we can write it as sin 90 minus 63. 90 minus 63 is 27. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, that is cos 63. Next one I am going to change this cos 73. You can understand 17 plus 20, 73 is 90. 63 plus 27 is 90. Like that. So here cos 90 minus 17, that is 73. 90 minus 17 means 73. So cos 90 minus theta means sin theta, that is 17. So in this case these two are changed. Here sin square 63 plus sin 27 is cos 63, that is cos square 63 by cos square 17 plus sin square 17. Here I changed sin 27 and cos 73. These two are I changed. So that cos 63 cos. So here please see that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So both are 1 and 1. So 1 by 1 means 1. Same as here also sin 25. So cos that is 65. You can write otherwise sin 90 minus 65. So sin 90 minus 65 is cos 65. Now sin 25 is changed. You can change it here cos 25. So cos 90 minus 65, cos 90 minus 65. So here sin 65. Sin 65. So all are in 65 now. Please see Sin 25 converted into cos 65. Cos 65 into cos 65. I've changed these two only. 25s are changed. Next, sin 65 into sin 65. So this is cos square 65. Cos square 65 plus sin square 65 equal to 1. Sin cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. That's why we are using here angles, and that is the trigonometric, using trigonometric ratios and complementary angles. Here we are changing, we are substitute these values in this case. Then after that we are getting identities. So identity formula, so we get these answers. In question number 4, they are given that choose the correct answers, but I am going to explain how to do. The first question, 9 is the common. 9 secant square a minus 9 tan square a. 9 is common. So secant square a minus tan square a. So the identity, second identity is secant square a minus tan square a is 1. So that 9 into 1, 9. Now come back to this second question. This is tan, secant, cot, cosecant. So various methods are there, but we are going to do in normal method. Tan and secant, cot and cosecant are changed into sin and cos. So 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. 1 plus cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta. Minus 1 by sin theta. First you change into like this. Now please see, cos theta is the LCM. Here cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. If you take these two are one step, a plus b into a minus b. So here we get cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 by sin cos theta. This is a, this is a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square means 1 square. You can write it. Cos theta into sin theta. Now this is in the form of a plus b whole square. That's why I explained in before videos. Algebraic identity is also very, very important. That's why a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Now already we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta or 2 cos theta minus sin theta, because commutative property is there, that's why, by cos theta into sin theta. So 1 cancel. We get 2 sin theta cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. So cos theta, sin theta cancel. We get 2 is the answer. 2 is the answer. So in other method also we can do it. Some people are doing multiplication, direct multiplication, but little bit of careful about while you are writing secant theta into cosecant theta. Tan 1 into these two, these three, to tan into these three, sin secant into these three, which is a little bit of problem, because this is a big size problem if you are doing like that multiplication. So think which one is the better. So here sin and cos, if you change into sin and cos, sometimes only it happens. So you can think, and this is the one of the best method while you are doing this math. So here sin by cos, 1 by cos, cos by sin, 1 by sin. So this LCM is sin, this LCM is cos. So this is the one property and this is another one. So one infraction is observe that a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square by these denominators. So next one is, this is a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 1. 1 square means 1. So this is 1, 1 minus this 1 and this one is being cancelled. So 2 sin theta by 2 sin theta cos theta by cos theta sin theta. So these two are cancelled, so we get 2 answer. In fourth question, 3 and 4 questions, multiple choice. So here secant a plus tan a, 1 minus sin a. We can't change this 1 minus sin a. So secant a plus tan a we can change. So here secant a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. So 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a into 1 minus sin a. Think about it. This 1 minus sin a we can't change. So because this is the base, these two are we can convert it to sin and cos. That's why according to problem we are going to follow. Please see here cos a will be the LCM 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a. So here 1 plus a plus b into a minus b. So 1 minus sin square a, because 1 square is there. 1 square means 1 by cos a. 1 minus sin square a means cos square a by cos a. So cos square a means cos a into cos a. Some people are cut this 2 and cos a. It is not looking good. That's why please write into form of cos a into cos a by cos a. These two are cancelled, so answer is cos a. Answer is cos a. Same like this. In this case, we are going to do either tan or cot. Any one only we are going to change into tan or cot forms. Suppose I am going to change this cot as a 1 by tan. So please see tan square a by 1 plus 1 by tan square a. So 1 plus tan square a by, in denominator tan square 1s are tan square a plus 1 by tan square a. So reciprocal 1 plus tan square a, keep it in brackets, into tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. This is the reciprocal. So these two are cancelled. So we get tan square a. This is the third and fourth questions. In question number 5, prove that the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. Expressions are defined. That is the cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. And second question is cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a equal to 2 secant a. Here we are going to move from left to right. Either we are taking that left hand side, that is solution. I am going to write LHS cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Don't expand this a minus b whole square. First inside we are going to change. Inside is important because answer is in the form of cos. That's why 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. First change into sin, because answer is cos. That's why change into sin and cos. Here sin is the LCM, sin theta. So 1 minus cos theta whole square. That means 1 minus cos theta whole square by, so a by b whole square means a square by b square. So here sin square theta. But you should understand that identities are we are using. Sin square theta means this is numerator, by denominator is 1 minus cos square theta. Please remember this one. This is whole square part. This is not whole square part. 1 minus cos theta whole square and sin square means 1 minus cos square theta. This is a minus b whole square. This is a square minus b square form. ये दोनों अलग है सर. So here 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. A square means a into a, like this. A minus b whole square means a minus b into a minus b, because here we are requiring a square minus b square. It is nothing but a square minus b square. So a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. Since here write like this, 1 minus cos square theta, that is 1 minus that is in the form of 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. So these two are cancelled, we get RHS, that is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is RHS. So while you are writing this procedure, first observe that LHS to RHS, what is the answer? Answer is cos theta max. So how can we change the cos theta? First cosecant convert into sine, and cot is cos by sine. So take the LCMs and whole square is there. So the numerator 1 minus a minus b whole square, this is a square minus b square. A minus b into a minus b, a minus b into a plus b. So these two are cancelled, we get RHS. This is the procedure. Next one is observe this fraction is reciprocal of this fraction. So think about it while taking the LCM. First multiple these two, cos a into cos a. First like this, cos a into cos a, cos square a. These two, 1 plus sin a whole square. Okay. Next 1 plus sin a into cos a. These two. Simple. That is a by b plus b by a means a square plus b square by ab. A by b plus b by a equal to a square plus b square. If minus is there, no problem. A square minus b square by a. So this one is cos square a. This is a plus b whole square now. 1 plus sin. So 1 square, that is a 1 square means 1. Sin square a, you can write it, no problem. 2 sin a by 1 plus here 1 plus sin a cos a. So sin square a plus cos square a is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin a by 1 plus sin a into cos a. So 2 plus 2 sin a by 1 plus sin a. Don't multiple denominator, leave like that only. So equal to 2 into 1 plus sin a by, here I am writing sir, 2 into 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a into cos a. So 1 plus sin a cancel, 2 by cos a will be there. That is 2 into 1 by cos a. So reciprocally secant. That's why 2 into secant. Here cos square a plus these two cross multiplication. So 1 plus sin a whole square. So we can write this is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. After that sin square a plus cos square a, these two are 1. So 1 plus this one plus 2 into sin a. So 2 into that is after removing these two, that is common. So 2 plus 2 sin a means 2 into 1 plus sin a. Denominator is same. Denominator will not be changed. After numerator changing, so 2 into 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a both are cancelled. We get 2 by cos a. 2 by cos a means 2 into secant a. 2 into secant a. Another method also there. So this one you are going to change into 1 minus sine square a. Simple. This one also you can do it. Another method, 1 minus sine square a 1 plus sine a whole square by 1 plus sine a into cos a. So this is a square minus b square. 1 minus sine a into 1 plus sine a plus 1 plus sine a, you can write like this, sine a by 1 plus sine a into cos a. So 1 plus sine a is the common. In this is 1 plus sine a, 1 plus sine a. So inside 1 minus sine a will be there plus 1 plus sine a will be there by 1 plus sine a into cos a. So these two are cancelled. Sine a cancel. 2 by cos a will be there. 2 by cos a means 2 secant a. This method also. But time is very important. So while you are writing this lengthy step, so you are losing your time. 3 hours exam mein, if you are writing big size lengthy steps, unnecessarily we are wasting our time. Please choose which is the best method, time consuming and everything, all aspects, and we can do it like this method. So you choose the method, best method. So many methods are there. In trigonometry, so many methods are there. You go to right hand to left hand, so right hand side. So anywhere to anywhere you can get the answers, but choose the best method. That is the important thing. In this question, tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. So hint is given, that is hint is write the expression in terms of sine and cos. So if you are doing like that, it is also correct, but thing is that it is a lengthy, that is the steps are lengthy. So better you change, no need to change this tan and cot, simply change the cot in terms of tan only. So tan theta by 1 minus 1 by tan theta, this LHS, plus 1 by tan theta. So in first step I am changing totally in tans, 1 minus tan theta. And in second step we are taking the LCM, tan theta by tan theta minus 1 by tan theta plus 1 by tan theta into 1 minus tan theta. Now reciprocal, tan square theta by tan theta minus 1 plus 1 by tan theta into here we are going to common the minus, because in both denominators we have tan, we want tan theta minus 1 here. This is a minus b, this is b minus a. That's why change into minus common, this minus come to here. Even though sine and cos also we are going to interchange. So tan square theta by tan theta minus 1 minus into plus minus by 1 by tan theta into tan theta minus 1. So this one interchanges. You can write it like this, a minus b equal to minus of b minus a minus b equal to minus of b minus a. You can common the minus. So here 1 by tan theta minus 1 common, so we get tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta. Here 1 by tan theta minus 1, tan square into tan cube theta minus 1 by tan theta, up to here. So if we are going to cancel this tan theta minus 1 after expanding a cube minus b cube, after expanding a cube minus b cube, So a cube minus b cube formula. First you understand that a cube minus b cube. So a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b into a square a plus ab plus b square. So here 1 by tan theta minus 1 into, so this is a cube minus nothing but a cube minus b cube. Tan a 1 cube means 1 only, that's why 1 cube. So tan theta minus 1 tan square theta, because a square plus ab 1 into tan, that is tan theta plus 1, b square means 1 square by tan theta. So these two are cancelled. Now these two are there, tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1 by, this is the after remaining, that is the quotient. Now we are going to do tan square theta plus 1 means secant square theta plus tan theta by tan theta. Tan square theta plus 1, tan square theta plus 1 equal to secant square theta. Now split the fraction, denominator single, that's why secant square theta by tan theta plus tan theta by tan theta. So see this answer. Otherwise some people are doing secant theta into cosecant theta is the answer. Here you can change like this, we can do conclude this answer. Here tan theta cancel. So now here secant theta into secant theta by tan theta, if you are writing like this plus 1. Previous video I explained that secant theta by tan theta is cosecant theta. So secant theta into cosecant theta plus 1. So we practice this trigonometric, changing of trigonometric ratios. Otherwise we can't understand how to change. Otherwise we can write like this, secant theta by tan theta means 1 by cos, here sin by cos. Cos will be cancelled, 1 by sin will be there. So 1 by sin means cosecant. You can do it, but you should understand before writing these steps, because already it is a lengthy. So we are going to extend this form, it is a little bit of lengthy again. That's why you understand that secant by tan is sin. So in previous videos I explained the trigonometric ratios, changing of trigonometric ratio to other forms. That's why first question of this exercise also like that. Change into, convert into secant, convert into cosecant, convert into tan, we practice. So then you can understand these steps. So for this, in this first step we are going to change cots here. So totally the LHS is changed into tans. After that you see this tan theta minus 1 minus tan theta, a minus b, b minus a is there. So change this in same versions. So I want a minus b or b minus a. So that is minus, we are going to common. So minus of tan theta minus 1. So because a minus b can be written minus of b minus a. So minus into plus, this is the crucial step, sir. Main step is these two. So plus into minus, minus. After this tan theta minus 1 common. So tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta. So tan cube theta minus 1. After that we are going to change, this is the formula. In this formula, please follow this formula, a minus b means tan theta minus 1 by tan theta. These two are cancelled. So tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1 by tan theta. So after that you can split here only, tan square by tan, tan by tan, 1 by tan. But here how we are going to get tan theta plus 1 plus cot theta will come. So again we are going to change into this form. That is the main. That's why tan square theta plus 1 means secant square theta. So we want direct answer. So secant square plus tan by tan means you split the fraction, secant square by tan means secant into secant by tan. Otherwise you can write secant theta by tan theta into secant theta plus 1. So secant theta by tan theta, you practice that ratios changing. So cosecant theta. So secant theta into cosecant theta plus 1, that is RHS. This is RHS. Okay. In this question, 1 plus secant A by secant A equal to sin square A by cos square. So this is a sin and cos, this is a secant. So we are going to take the LHS side and RHS side separately. So we can get answer directly. Otherwise we can change it, but rationalization is important. Please see 1 plus secant A by secant A. That means 1 by secant A, split the fraction because denominator is simple. Secant A by secant A. These two are cancelled. 1 by cos secant A means cos A plus 1. RHS, if you take RHS, sin square A by 1 minus cos A. Sin square means 1 minus cos square A. This is the identity. So 1 minus cos A. So A square minus B square. 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A. These two are cancelled. We get 1 plus cos A. So this is LHS and RHS. Both answers are same. So LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. In these 5 questions, 5, 6 and Roman 5, 6th question, Roman 5, 7th question. In this first question, we are going to do LHS. Root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to, we are going to rationalizing. This one is rationalizing or divided and 1 plus sin A and multiplied and divided by 1 plus sin A, because to remove this square root. So here 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 minus sin square A, because A minus B into A plus B, sin square A. That means you can write like this: 1 plus sin A whole square by cos square A, because 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. So after here square is there, here square is, you can remove square root. So 1 plus sin A by cos A after removing the square root. So here split the fraction: 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. So secant A plus tan A. This is RHS. In this question, just think about this answer is secant and tan. So how can you convert? Means see the denominator and the square root. So these two are important to remove the denominator or and this the square root. First of all, square root. So first square root means we want a squares. Inside whole square will be there. That's why 1 plus sin A whole square, 1 minus sin square A. This is cos square A, so cos square. So removing the roots. Now in this case, LHS side, sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. That means you are going to common the sin theta here, 1 minus 2 sin square theta by, here cos theta is the common, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Here sin theta by cos theta is tan theta into either this one or this one, you can change. Only one person we are going to change. So we are going to change sin square, 1 minus 2 into 1 minus cos square theta, because sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta by 2 cos square theta minus 1, because we want to remove these two. That's why here we are going to change sin square. So tan theta into 1 minus 2 plus 2 cos square theta by 2 cos square theta minus 2 cos square theta minus 1. So here minus 1 will be there, 2 cos square theta. So tan theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1. So these two are cancelled. So our answer is tan theta, that is RHS. This is RHS. Okay. In this question, sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Here, while you are taking these two, convert directly, you would take it as a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. That means first you are taking LHS, sin A plus cosecant A whole square, cos A plus secant A whole square, means sin square A plus cosecant A square A plus b whole square, A square plus b square, 2ab plus cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A secant A. Now you are taking sin square A cos square A, that is 1. These two are reciprocals, cancel. Now you can write like this: sin square A plus cos square A, sin square A plus cos square A, cosecant square A plus secant square A plus 2 plus 2. Now this is 1. This part is 1 because sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 2, 4, plus this can be written in the form of 1 plus cot square A. This is 1 plus tan square A. So total 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 plus 4, 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This is RHS. This part is RHS. Okay. In this question, cosecant A minus sin A, secant A minus cos A equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. So here we are going to not converting directly. We are going to take a separate, that is LHS and RHS. Separately we are going to find out that two answers will be equal. So we are going to solve separately. So LHS part is cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A. Cosecant and sin reciprocals, that's why you can write 1 by sin A minus sin A, 1 by, this is cos A ka reciprocal, so cos A minus cos A. Sin A into sin A, so simply 1 by A minus A means A into A square, so 1 minus A square by A. Like this, 1 minus sin square A by sin A, this is one part, 1 minus cos A by cos square A, cos square A by cos A. Now this is cos square A by sin A, this is sin square A, because 1 minus cos square A means sin square A, so cos A. So you can cancel it, but you should write like this: cos A into cos A, sin A into sin A means sin square A, like this, by sin A into cos A. Don't cancel 2 and cos directly. Okay, so cos A sin A cancel, so we get answer is cos A into sin A. This is LHS part. After solution, taking the solvation, we get cos A into sin A or sin A into cos A. Next RHS is 1 by tan A plus cot A. Tan A plus cot A means you can write, you can change into cot A as a 1 by tan A, so tan square A plus 1 by tan A. Tan A is a reciprocal, so that say tan A by secant square A. So separate it, we can get cos A into sin A. Otherwise, you can take it sin A by cos A, cos A by sin A. You can write like this also. Sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A. So here sin A into sin A, this is the total denominator, sin A into sin A. So sin square A plus cos square A by sin A into cos A. Sin A into cos A. So reciprocal, after taking the reciprocal, sin A into cos A by sin square A plus cos square A. So sin A into cos A by 1. So that is LHS. This LHS equal to RHS. So sin A into cos A. This is RHS. This is LHS. So both are equal. LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. In this question, there are three parts are there. The final result is tan square A. 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A equal to 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square equal to tan square A. So we are taking that first part, that is 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. So already we know that the identity is 1 plus tan square A means secant square A by 1 plus cot square A means cosecant square A. This is the identity. So secant square A means 1 by cos square A by, this is the numerator, 1 by sin square A. This is denominator. So this, after taking the reciprocal, sin square A by cos square A, that is sin A by cos A whole square. Otherwise you can write directly tan square A, that is tan A whole square, that is tan square A. This is one part. In second part, 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square. You can change any one only. So if I am going to change cot A, so 1 minus tan A whole square. First you write like this, 1 minus cot A whole square. So 1 minus tan A whole square by 1 minus 1 by tan A whole square. That is 1 minus tan A whole square by tan A ones are tan A minus 1 by tan A whole square. This is denominator. Now 1 minus tan A whole square by, first you remember one thing sir, A minus B whole square equal to B minus A whole square. Both are same. Whole square hai na? So in this whole square mein, if you interchange the terms A minus B or B minus, whole square is there, so it is purely positive because whole square is there. Otherwise you can write like this, minus of B minus A whole square, that is minus square, that minus 1 whole square means plus only, that's why B minus A whole square. Same as here, tan A minus 1, because 1 minus tan A is there, here tan A minus 1 is, so that's why this part we are going to introduce here, 1 minus tan A whole square by tan square A. So after reciprocal, tan A whole square into tan square A by 1 minus tan A whole square. So these two are cancelled, we get tan square A. This is RHS part. Both our RHS parts are like this. Thank you.